First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus Feet Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Avidar Vedu. Because I was higher, so cannot see the back who is there. Nitya Lila Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus Feet Nitya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami, Bhakti Vidyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis presented, or my respectful guests. So, yesterday we also very nicely celebrate Shiv Chatudarshi Mahamahotsav. Actually, according to the Vaishnava calendar, we say also today is also Shiv Chatudarshi. Yesterday was also, today is there also. Some people also today celebrate and Shiv Chatudarshi. Because many people they also observe Shiv Trayodasi, or some people they also observe Shiva Chaturdashi. Anyhow, you can do observe Shiv Chaturdashi or Shiv Trayodasi. But Shiva Tattva is very sweet, and so many Leelas Shivas. Just as according to Srimad Bhagavatam, how Sati Devi she left her body. This Katha also Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, very nice Katha this way. He once, and in the assembly house of Devatas, and that time Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, three Devatas. According to Vedic culture, three Devatas very important. And Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Instead of Brahma, he is called Srishtikarta. He is the creator. Srishtikarta. Shiva, Vishnu, he is called Vishnu is called Palankarta. He nourishment to all the living entities. Or Shivji, he is called Dhangsakarta. So, three Devatas is there. So, in the meantime, the very nice, beautiful assembly is going on this in the heavenly planet, Sargaloka. And that time, also, Daksha Prajapati, he arrived, because he is the king. So, when Daksha Prajapati he arrived, all they honor to him. The honor means is what? Everybody stand up. Give honor to him. Daksha Prajapati. Then Daksha Prajapati noticed Brahmaji, Vishnu and Shiva. They did not stand up. Brahmaji is Srishtikarta. So Daksha Prajapati thinking, okay. He is superior, this is because Loka Pitamaha, everybody called him Loka Pitamaha. Pitamaha means he is the great grandfather. Brahmaji, this is also. Or Vishnu is Bhagavan and Palankarta. Or Shivji also did not. Shivji also done. And then Prajapati become very angry with Shivji, because Shivji is my son-in-law, Jamata. So Brahma, Vishnu, then they did not stand up there from their asana, there is no problem. But he is my son-in-law. And Brahma, Daksha Prajapati become very angry. Actually, Shivji, why did not stand up? Because he is Uttam Mahabhagavat. Shivji always absorbed. Ashtakalni Leela also this way. So Shivji did not give honor. Daksha Prajapati is so much, what is called, ahankar. Proud of him. His position. My son-in-law did not give me honor. That time he thinking, okay, I will. Then when everybody left this body according to that the celebration, and when everybody left, then Daksha Prajapati, he returned back his home. And Daksha Prajapati, he is thinking, I will arrange one sacrifice. And without inviting to Shiv. That is called Shivhini Yajna. Shivhini Yajna. Yajna, I will do purple fire sacrifice without Shiva. I will take revenge. Who is it? Daksha Prajapati thinking. But he is my son-in-law.
Didn't give him respect.
He didn't give him respect to me. So I will not invite. This is the reason. Then he performed this fire sacrifice. He gave invitation to everybody, but even she also did not give invitation to Shivji and Parvati. No. This katha is coming in this. This is the reason. Why Shivji he performed Shivhini Yajna without Shivji. This is the reason also. He takes, I will take revenge. I will be happy punishment. He did not give respect to me. I am his father-in-law, or he is my son-in-law. My son-in-law did give respect to me. Then he performed the fire. It is called nice celebration. Then even Devi Parvati, she did not know her father Prajapati. Dakshapati going to perform fire sacrifice or this. Then early in the morning, Devi Parvati, Devi Sati, she waked up, she was looking. All the demigoddess, all they invited. All they are going, big procession, and everybody is going this way. Then Devi Parvati, Devi Sati, she asked her husband, Shivji, why all the demigod are going? Where they are going? Shivji, he is called Trikalagna, he knows past, present and future. And Uttam Mahabhagavat. Shivji is saying, oh, Devi, your father is now performing fire sacrifice. But my father did not invite you? Well, no. Then Shivji said, Devi Parvati said, I have to go. Because this time all my relatives are coming. But Shivji told, no, don't go. If you go there, then big problem will come. Parvati said, no, I have to go. According to Shastra also saying, if your relative doing any of these things, you have to go. What the Sanskrit word, the sloka, very nice, beautiful sloka is there. If your relative are doing Utsavai, I just look, sometimes saying the other Utsave Vasane Chaiva Rajat Dari Sasane Cha Jatishtati Sabandhava. Here this Sanskrit sloka is saying, I have not completed this sloka, it's very nice sloka. Utsave Vasane Chaiva Rajat Dari Sasane Cha Jatishtati Sabandhava. Who is your Mitra friends? Any celebration is going on. And without giving invitation, you have to go there. If your father, mother, or you any relative, you go. Utsavi. Utsavi Vasanacha Rajadari Sasanicha. If anybody in the prison, you also help to him how to come out, helping. Or Rajadari is Sasanecha, when you will die, then you have to go to the cremation. This is Vedic culture also. That is called, Sanskrit word, that is called Sasan Bandhu. Friends, those are the, he is invite you or not, just to listen. Oh, you heard that person left body, you have to go. So Devi Parvati, she told, I have to go. Because my father, he is arranged this fire sacrifice, I have to go, this celebration. And all my relatives, they are coming, I have to go meet with them. Shivji told, no, don't go. Big problem will come. But Devi Parvati, no, the Shastra is saying in this way. I have to go there. Then Devi Parvati, that time her name was Sati. Then Sati, she also. But when she arrived, no one talked with her. Big celebration. Daksha Prajapati, he gave strictly instruction, all his family members. Shiv and Sati will come, don't talk with them. Shivji will not come, Shivji not. Devi Parvati, she came. Then no one talking. Only her mother little bit talked, not so much afraid from Daksha Prajapati. Others, there are no one talking, nothing. Then she became very upset. Oh, no one is talking with me, what happened? Then in this way, then when she came, and that time, Daksha Prajapati criticized to Shivji, Shivninda. They saying, oh Shivji, this. That time Devi Parvati, Sati Devi cannot tolerate it. Because two things Shastra also saying in this way. Shivji also Guru Tattva, और महाभागवत तत्व यथा है गुरु निंदा तथा ना जाइबे गुरु निंदुकेर मुख कपुना हेरिबे दिवान यथा है गुरु निंदा तथा नहीं जाइबे गुरु निंदुकेर मुख कपुना हेरिबे. Where one foot blasphemy to Guru, you should not go there and should not listen also there. यथा है गुरु निंदा तथा ना जाइबे गुरु निंदुकेर मुख कभू ना हेरिबे. Don't see face again one who criticize Guru.
Did Sanatan Goswami write or Sanatan Das?
Sanatan Das.
With different people.
Sanatan Das is the one Vaishnava.
Okay. So not Sanatan Goswami. Not Sanatan Goswami.
No, Sanatan Goswami. No. One Vaishnava poet. After Mahaprabhu, that he came. So now coming in this way, what did he say? The Shiva Ninda there. They start to criticize. Especially, what is his name? Daksha Prajapati. And also one Rishi, what is his name? I don't remember. He was laughing, ha. When Daksha, he also criticized to Shivji, the Shiv Ninda. Then Devi Parvati cannot tolerate. Then Devi Parvati saying what to Sati, that time his name is Sati, not Parvati, that time his name is Sati. Sati cannot tolerate. Then say with her Jogbal, with her mystic power, she created the fire and she left her body. Then Shivji, already when Devi Sati was coming, that time Shivji sent to her parikar. Associate Nandi, Bringi, they are came. Understand? They are coming. And they bitterly be to Daksha Prajapati and all others. That comes here. Big, that is called, that fire said Jagna is completely ruined and destroyed. Then everything is going on this way. And that time, then when Shivji heard, Sati left her body. Then Shivji came, become very angry. Then Shivji and started to dance. That is called Shivji Tandav dance. Shivji thinking, I will destroy everything also. Then Shivji, she took Devi Sati's body and started to dance. And whole universe started to shaking. Then Brahmaji prayed to Lord Vishnu. What to do now? That time Lord Vishnu with his Sudarshan Chakra and cut Sati's body in how many pieces? 51 pieces. So for this India, you can see there are 51 pilgrimage places. Understand? That is called Ekanna Tirtha Pithasthal. Ekanna means 51. 51 that's called and holy places of pilgrimage place. You can go there. Where Saraswati is and one is we are going Nainital. Actually there is Saraswati Nayan. Nayan means eye is put in that place. For this Rekha Nainital. You went there? Who went Nainital? You are going? I went there. I went 2 times also before. I went also 2 times. That time we used to go that area. Very cold area. Also, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand actually called Devapalli, Devasthan. A little bit mountain and not so easy to walk over. So different place. Kamrup, Kamakha, different place. Where Satis and limbs and body, what is called? Scattered. That is called Tirthasthal. So now for this then when Lord Shivji, everybody, Lord Shivji, and then everybody pacified to Shivji. Then Shivji is very what is called? Simple. If you give Belpatra and Gangajal, Shivji will be very happy. So when Shivji, then everybody asks, so what will do now? And he already Daksha Prajapati, his head cut and put in the fire. Then Shivji, what will do now? And that okay, go. Then we saw one goat. Cut the goat head and put. For this regard, Daksha Prajapati head, that is called Chagamunda. Chaga means, you understand? Goat. Munda means head. They are always saying this. So this katha is Sati Dihatyak katha. This how Sati Devi, she left her body. Srimad Bhagavatam, this katha is coming. Then Sati Devi, she also took birth again, the daughter of Himalaya Kanna. This katha is over. Again also very nice, beautiful katha is there. In India 2 prominent mountain, one is called Himalaya or another is called Vrindaachal. in south Vindhyachal or in north Himalaya. So now Sati took birth in the daughter of Himachal. For this regard, her name is called now Parvati. So from her childhood, she also meditate to Lord Shiva. Then finally she also married with Shivji. This katha also explained in Ramayana also. Very nice katha is there. Then Himalaya and Vindhyachal, they are two brothers. They are always thinking, I am the higher. And Vindhyachal, Vrinda Parvat. If you go South India, there is one place that is called Vindhyachal will be there. So Vindhyachal, he is going very up. He is thinking, I will become the higher than Himalaya. So when all the demigod is thinking, if the Vindhyachal, he will be, what is called?
Higher than Himachal.
Longest, tallest. Then sun rays will not come. One side Himalaya, or another side Vindhyachal. Vindhyachal will be going very high. How the sunrise will come? So for this all demigod will pray to Lord Vishnu. Then Vishnu told, okay, call his guru. Vindhyachal guru, that is called Agastya Rishi. He took Diksha from Agastya Rishi. So Agastya Rishi once he came in the place of Vindhyachal. When Guru is coming, he is doing pranam. Then Agastya Rishi told, okay, I am giving blessing to you. Well, what is blessing? You do pranam. Until I return back, you have to stay down. So that's Vindhyachal also. If you go that place, surprise you will be there. Then how this mountain, this built and as like this, as if bending. This is the way. And this side, the river. What is the river name? Very nice, beautiful river is going in there. That is even in this band in this way. Our Purana is saying everything is perfect. Now coming in this way, that katha also very sweet katha also this way. The Brahma Kalpavedishwari katha again. Then only Himalaya, he always very happy because he arranged his marriage ceremony, his daughter's marriage ceremony Parvati with Shivji. She is very nice, beautiful, this. Then Vindhyachal, he prayed to Brahmaji. I want one daughter. And daughter, she should be very beautiful, more than Parvati. And that my daughter, she should be also married with one person who can conquer to Shivji, Durjati. Shivji, one name is called Durjati. That time Brahma also gave blessing also. So for this regard, Vindhyachal's daughter, who were 5 daughters is saying there. So when they took the 5 daughters, that is one is Srimati Radhika, Chandravali, or Vishakha, 3 or 2 and Tungavidya, or another, no, the 5 daughters. Or here Kamsa. Kamsa is her. If anybody marry with Vindhyachal daughter, he can conquer also Shivji. He can conquer also everybody. Eh? That time, Kamsa, he sent in Putana, check, and bring the 5 daughters of Vrindhachal. Then Putana here and there again. Then Putana, she saw the 5 newborn babies there. So then Putana, she is bringing, but accidentally Chandravali, she fell down one place. That place is called Chandrabhaga river. Or then another Vishakha, she fell down, that's a Vishakhapattanam. Vishakha Devi, she fell down. These are different kalpas katha also. Or another Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra river. In this way, 4 daughters, they fell. Then bringing to Srimati Radhika. Radharani is coming. And Putana, she is bringing Radharani. And in the meantime, Mathuras, some Brahmanas, they are chanting very powerful mantra. When they chanting this mantra, then Putana's body start to shake. Then Putana, she fell down in the place, and that place is called, and in the middle of Jamuna. Then she manifested, and same time also Vrishabhanu Maharaj came to take bath, and saw the newborn baby and appeared in the Vishnu lotus. This katha is giving this way. Actually, this katha Rupa Goswami Pad explain one way, and different ways the katha is coming. Very difficult to, what is called? Reconcile. Because this Hari Katha is different kalpas katha. Not kalpa, understand?
Yeah.
What? On day of Brahma. Because Lord, He performs His Leela different kalpa, different. Every kalpa is not same Leela. Some Leela are similar and some Leela also different. Lalit Madhav Grantha. Lalit Madhav, na? Yeah. Lalit Madhav Grantha also, this some introduction explained this way. How Srimati Radhika, she appeared. So, Shivji Katha is coming. Because here the Kamsa, he thinking, if anybody married with Srimati Radhika, he can conquer Shivji, he can conquer also Krishna. No one can come to him. So for this regard, so now coming in this way, Shivji's katha is very different kalpas, different lila katha is also there. Shivji's katha, what is that? One katha just not over Shiv. Once in the assembly house of Devatas, all Devatas and Devis, demigod and goddess, they also thinking, who is the best singer or who is the best dancer? The competition is going. And that time, but that time, all demigoddess, Devi, they decided their representative should be Devi Parvati. Our demigod, they also told, our representative should be Lord Shiva. Understand? Some player are playing from this country. Understand? Actually, maybe he is also born in other country, but you hire. Then he is playing for England. So if England win, then England will get the prize or not?
Yes.
Not the player.
The prize.
But the true or not?
Yeah.
Who is the player? This is not the important. That player is coming from where? This is not important. Important, who is the representative of the other country. You understand? So in the same way, now
Shivaji is representing the
Shivji is the representative of demigod. Or Devi Parvati, she is the representative of demigoddesses. Understand this way? Jamurti first is going on, that's called the competition is going on. First competition I told, which one? Singing. Best singing. And Shiv is singing, everybody also make claps, this is true. Very nice Shiv. Yes, okay. Now term is coming, Devi Parvati. When Devi Parvati start to sing, everybody completely intoxicated. Because you can see the one male person is singing, or another female person is female devotee singing. You can see who will people will be attracted with whom?
Female.
Female. This is nature. Then who is giving the judgment? That is judgment is giving Brahmaji and Vishnu. So now giving the number, who is giving greater? Highest is Devi Parvati. Then Shivji think, oh my God, what to do now? Okay, no problem. Now is coming, which one? Dance. Dancing. The dancing, first Shivji thinking, no, first Parvati should be dance. When Parvati Devi she start to dance, then everybody completely got into it. All demigod, they start to also dance with Devi Parvati. Because female dance is very attractive. Oh my God. Then Shivji thinking, my God, already I get less marks in singing. Or if you dance, if you lose, then what happened? Big problem or not? And every time, Devi Parvati, she will say, I know what is your very good qualification. Wife and husband when saying, and wife will be saying, I know your qualification. You failed the. Tell one, middle one, tell one very nice, beautiful joke. Listen. Once wife and husband, they are traveling one place to another place. They have to catch the bus. That the rules is that you can buy the ticket. And every ticket number is there, seat number, bus seat number. As they written, if any passenger will not come, you can get that seat. Okay. So wife and husband, they got the ticket, but that ticket number is not there. Because if you go in this bus, all ticket already sold out. And if any that passenger, that number passenger will not come, you can get that the seat. Understand? Seat number 50 and 51. Okay, understand? So 51. And that 50, 51 ticket number, bus seat number.
Yeah.
Okay. So that wife and husband, they are thinking, maybe some person will not come. So you can sit, last bench, last seat will take. So wife and husband, they enter in the bus. When enter in the bus, then after a few minutes, then whose number is 50 and 51, that the couple came. Now they are sitting because they have no bus seat number. They are written is there. If the person will not come, you can occupy. Otherwise not. Understand?
Yeah.
But they are occupied fine. They have no seat number. But thinking only 50, 51, maybe nobody will come. They coming. That time, hey, stand up. Well, no, this is my seat. I come first to you. But now, what is your seat number? Show to us. You have ticket. Well, yes, I have ticket, but I have no seat number. So you can go next bus. If the rules is there, you can go next bus. But they are very stubborn. No, we have to go there. Then that time also there. That couple, the first couple, those who have real their ticket number, 50-51. Well, stand up, well, no stand up. That time they slapped. Slapped to slap the husband. Then husband told, I will see you. वही कहते हैं क्या बोलता है मैं तुम्हें देख लूंगा. What is English term?
I will see to you, or I will.
Catch you later.
Yeah.
Catch you like.
I will see you later.
And I see you later. Okay, that's it. I think English term is very nice. English word.
Must be something. Must be, yeah. She begged the
What do you say? If anybody is angry,
Different ways of saying.
okay.
We get the essence.
Okay, so then, well, what do you say?
We haven't finished yet.
What do you say? Well, if you beat my wife, then I can see again. Then that person he also beat his wife. When wife beat, then both they also come out from the bus. Both they come. Because that is not their seat. Okay, both they come. Then wife, when both they come out, then wife asked her husband, that person will beat you. Why did you?
Has to beat me.
Make me to beat. Why? That time husband told, you know, when you return back to home, you will tell, oh, I know your power. You are only saying, I am don't do this. I know that person will beat you or not. Then they are now, when you will tell, I also tell, also he beat me, also beat you. For this regard, I ask you. You understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So now,
From being beaten. Could not accuse him of being beating her
Chalo Sati.
as well.
Acha suno. Parvati Devi, then Shivji is thinking, already I failed in her, in the singer. And your dance, also Parvati Devi, she is also highest dancer. And singer and dancer both is getting the highest marks. And when I return back home, then Devi Parvati always will tell, I know you failed in the dance, you failed in the also sing. Then Shivji praying to Lord Vishnu, hey Lord Vishnu, anyhow, I have to win this competition. Which competition? Dance competition. Already I failed in singing dance. And now I have to. Otherwise, every day in my house will be big problem. Then Lord Shivji completely surrendered to Lord Krishna. Then Lord Krishna told, don't worry Shivji, I will arrange. Okay, you have to dance. You dance the highest dance. Well, which one? Tandav dance. Two kinds of dance. One is called Hallisak Nitya, and another is called Tandav Nitya. Hallisak Nitya, you know this? What is called Hallisak Nitya? Those are ladies, they are dancing very sweet. Different kinds of dance. Hallisak dance is very sweet. And Tandav Nitya, little bit up and down, up and down. As like Krishna, he danced on the hoods of Kaliya. That's the Tandav dance. Understand? Well, then you do this dance. Especially you do dance at the time of Mahapralaya, Shivji. That is called Tandav dance. Then Shivji start to dance. When Shivji start to dance, then all demigod, they also ran away. Because Shivji when he dance, whole universe starts to shaking. Then the Mahapralaya is coming. And that time was Brahma told, hey Vishnu, please you precipitate Lord Shiva. Otherwise everything will be destroyed. Actually that Shiva is called Natavar Shiva. You there Natavar Shiva? Actually, Nataraj is Krishna. Natavar Krishna. Nataraj or Natavar. Meaning is same, but what is different? So if you go South India, there also one Shivji is called Natavar and Shiva dancing in this way. The Shiva Tandav dance. When everybody is there, then what happened?
No disease.
No decision, nothing. Vrindavan Vihari. Shivji called. Or another Shiva Leela? Or many called Shiva Leela is Katha.
अमर कथा सुना रहे
अमर कथा तो इसका बोला था तो उसने शिव जी कथा इज वेरी नाइस ऑल्सो देवी पार्वती once देवी पार्वती she was in her own house. In the meantime Narad Rishi appeared. When Narad Rishi came, then Devi Parvati very nicely worshipped lotus feet of Narad Rishi and puja, Guru puja, everything. Because Narad is called universal Guru. Everybody called him Guru. So after then Narad Rishi asked to Devi Parvati, how are you? This. How is your husband? First if you Shastra is saying, if you so if you ask any lady, married lady, first ask about her husband, then she will be very pleased. This is the process. How are you? This is you are saying, no? But generally people say, how are you? How is your husband? Then she will be very happy. These things. And then Devi Parvati told, oh, my husband is unique and unparalleled. My husband, na bhuto na bhavishyati. Then in this way, Devi Parvati, she also glorified to Shivji. She herself, she glorified. Narad Rishi just asked, how is your husband? Then she herself to glorify her husband. Very nice, beautiful things. Narad Rishi, listen. Narad Rishi just asked about Shivji and her husband. Then she herself glorified. Oh, my husband, this. And my husband never hide anything. Always he speak Krishna Katha, Ram Katha. Always my husband absorbed with this. Speaking, Narad Rishi, listen. Maybe after 1 hour, she start to glorify about Shiva. Then Narad Rishi asks, hey, do you know why your husband and putting the skull garland around his neck, why you putting the what is called ashes on his body, these many things asked. That and Devi Parvati wrote, this is my husband renunciation, vairagya. Shastra also saying, why Shivji put the ashes in his body? What do you know? शिवजी शरीर पर छाई भस्म क्यों लगाते हैं? शिवजी is down, she is thinking everything is what? The essence of body, that is called ashes, not other than things. When you die, your body is turned to ashes. So for this you are putting this ashes. This is vairagya. In this way, explain this way. Then Narad Rishi said, no. I tell you, all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, all the essence of Ved, Puran, Upanishad in this. You can ask your husband. Your husband told everything you told. But did he tell these things or not? Well, no. Shivji, everything is explained in front of Devi Parvati. Shastra also saying, you can speak everything to your wife, but one thing you should not tell to your wife. Which thing? Guru Mantra. Shastra saying, other mantra maybe you can say if your wife taking the same Guru Diksha mantra, you can discuss with her. Otherwise you cannot do. But one mantra, Guru mantra should not tell to wife also. But Shivji, when he completely absorbed and speak Harikatha, that time he completely forget these rules. Also, sometimes Shivji explain Guru Mantra. Shastra saying Guru Mantra should not tell to anyone, not wife. Shastra saying this way. Otherwise, this power of mantra virja will be disappear. Mantra Shakti chala jayega. You understand? You will lose the potency of mantra. So Guru Mantra should not tell to anyone. But Shivji sometimes also, when he completely absorbed, he also speaks about the meaning of Guru Mantra, everything. So for that Devi Parvati, she told, my husband, this. But Narada she told, if your husband speaks, have your husband Shivji explain what is the meaning of the ashes, and put in his body. What is meaning of the skull he is keeping? Why? This thing I told you. No, never. So why you are saying my husband speak everything? And Gurudev, now you giving Dibba Chakshu. My husband big cheater. Then now this is thinking, this is your family problem. This is not my business. Your family's problem. Sadhu should not come in the middle of the family's problem. You know, when wife and husband they are quarreling, sadhu should not go in the middle of the big problem will come. Understand? This is also rule Shastra saying. Because when wife and husband they are argument quarreling, actually after a few minutes, few hours, they will be meet each other. You understand? Bengali verse is saying, mango and milk, दूध आराम मिल जाएगा और गुठली गड़ागड़ी जाएगा. समझ में आया? If you mango and mango or milk, you can mix. Or if the seed, seed will throw. So if you go in the same way, and if you go the middle of the arguments of the wife and husband, and then later they will also, both the wife and husband kicked you. And kicked him out. So Shastra is saying, don't go in the middle of their arguments. When wife and husband, the argument should not interfere. This is Shastra saying this way. So now this is saying this way. This is your family problem. So now I am going. Now this is put the fire. And now he is saying, I am going. Okay. Now this is, when he going, then after a few minutes in the middle of the way, then Shivji is coming. Then Shivji asks, hey Narada Rishi, where have you come from? Now I am coming from your house. Oh, okay, good. So Devi Parvati, she is waiting for you. Then Shivji is saying, you are here, Naradishi, you are coming my house. My wife is waiting for me. That means
Not a good sign.
big,
Not a good sign.
not a good sign. Today I will not get any food also. No water, nothing. Shastra is saying, where Naradishi is going, he always putting the fire. Meaning he creates the quarrel. Understand? Namtiyama Narada Rishi. Jathai jai tathai se jhagda ji karai. Bengali Sandhi. Naradishi this. And actual Naradishi, he does not make the quarrel. What he is doing there? Prema kalaha. And then increase the real love. So now come this Shivji thinking, my God, Naradishi is coming from my house. And Naradishi also saying, my wife Devi Parvati is waiting for me. And big problem. Anyhow, Shivji came and Shivji just stepped his feet on his door. Then Devi Parvati start to speaking. Oh, you are always saying, I never hide this, everything I tell to you. That time Shivji told, what happened? Naradishi came here? Like, yes, Naradishi told me. You did not tell everything to me. You also hiding this. Then Shivji, what did he hide? No, you did. But what happened? Tell to me. Because when wife become very angry, very difficult to pacify. Understand? Just need water. And ice water put. Otherwise, it's possible. That means ice water means what? You should be quiet. After a few minutes, she will be speaking alone. Then she will not say anything. Understand? When the quarrel is coming, you say, I tell you very clearly. If your wife is speaking, you should just close your eyes. Close your mouth. Don't tell anything. If you tell, then big problem will come. You understand? If a husband is speaking too much, quarrel with you, also the same also. Wife should not speak. And if you speak, then big problem, fire will going on this. This is called art of life also. आप संसार में कैसे रहना है ये भी एक कला है. कला सुन, this is the art. How to stay with wife and husband. If you say your husband is very angry with you and speaking, you should be just quiet. And if you start to speak, then Tandav Nitya will come, destroy everything. So this is the process also. So now Shivji just come and quiet. Shivji told her, what happened, Devi? Tell to me. Now she told me, why are you putting the ashes and skull, keeping her? That time Devi told, Shivji told, hey Devi, tell you to you. This is also confidential. I tell you very day. Well, why? Then Shivji very humble, he told, hey Devi Parvati, listen. Your relation, what is called? तुम्हारा हमारा जो relation जो है, the relationship between you and me, that is eternal and transcendental. Every life, you are my wife and I am your husband. So that means is what? Then Shivji told, listen, hey Devi Parvati, every life you give up your body. But I never give up my body. Well, I give up my body. You did not give up your body? But no. Why? Then Shivji he told, my name is called also Mrityunjay. What is it? Om Triambakam Jajamahe Sugandhi Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukam Bandhana Mrityur Mokshyamamritam Om Mrityunjaya Swaha. That's Shivji's mantra, Mrityunjaya mantra. Here Shivji, he conquered the death. For this, his name is called Mrityunjaya. Devi Parvati, how possible? Every life, I gave up my body, or you never give up your body. Why? That time Shivji told, hey Devi Parvati, this is a very confidential thing, I tell you. Actually, I listen Bhagavad Kathamritam. One who listen Bhagavad Katha, one who speak Bhagavad Katha, he will conquer the death. He will conquer the death. Mane? He will become Mrityunjaya. Amar Katha. But Bhagavad Katha name is called Amar Katha. If you go, the Himalayas one place that is called Amarnath, Shivji temple. Where Shiv and Parvati, they also discuss first Srimad Bhagavat Kathamrita. For this is Srimad Bhagavat Katha, one name is called Amar Katha. And Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Vireditam Kalma Sahapam Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnanti te Bhuridajana. Krishna Katha name is called Amar Katha. So Srimad Bhagavat Katha means Amar Katha. So Shivji he told, always I discuss about Srimad Bhagavat Katha. So I never give up my body. For this my name is called Amarnath also. If you go that place also, Amarnath Shivji Mandir is there. Then Devi Parvati she told, hey husband, oh my Patidev, you also speak about Amar Katha, Bhagavad Katha Amrita. Then Shivji told, hey Devi, this Katha is very confidential. Those who are unqualified person should not tell to them. Understand? Shastra is saying Bhagavad Katha not so, should not tell to everybody. This is a confidential Katha. Otherwise people, they will be misused. So for this, well, what is the need qualification? They need Shraddha. Well, I have Shraddha with you. But you are lady, sometimes you will be sleep. If you not listen, then offense also. Katha is going on. Or if you sleep, then next birth you will become snake. Shastra saying this. When Srimad Bhagavat Katha is going on, if you sleep in the Bhagavat Katha, then next birth you will become snake. So very clear, carefully. Listen. Sometimes you are saying, automatically when the Tattva Siddhanta coming, then your sleepiness will come. Mayadevi is coming. How to kick out the sleepiness from your mind? Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Then automatically a Mayadevi sleepiness. Actually Mayadevi is called sleepiness. Nidra Devi. Understand? Nidra Devi is called Tamaguni. Mayadevi is also named Nidra. You understand this way? When the Hari Katha start, then automatically also Mayadevi will come. Nidra Devi will come. What is his name? Kumbhakarna's wife name was also Nidra Devi. The Puran Katha is coming. Listen very carefully. When Ramchandra, he killed Kumbhakarna, then Kumbhakarna's wife name also Nidra Devi. Say, ask Ramchandra, you also killed my husband, where will you stay? And one Ramayana is saying this. Many Ramayanas, one Ramayana Katha is there. Then Nidra Devi, she told, okay, when is the Bhagavad Katha will go going on, you should go there. So when Bhagavad Katha will come, automatically Nidra Devi she will come. Maya Devi. Nidra Devi, she is the actual, she is called the, what is called? Maya, embodiment of Maya. You can see the Harikatha will start, then automatically your and swiftness will come. Jadi hai Krishna Katha, ghume jime te tallaso balis. As he asat Katha, then you will be alert. Whole night. Football match is going on. What happened? Brazil, okay. You are looking, the Brazil almost defeat. Then if the football is coming very close to the goalkeeper, you are looking. You are so much absorbed, then with your feet also kick your TV. You are thinking Brazil have to get the goal. Whole night you can see. This is true or wrong? Yes. Are you Krishna Katha, Hari Katha, 1 hour, 2 hours? Maharaj, too much. And after my Hari Katha, how many hours you are eating, sleeping, not sleeping also, gossiping? Maybe 3 hours. Or 1 hour I speak Hari Katha, but little bit, 1 hour, 20 minutes. Maharaj, look, too much. Time pass. And after Hari Katha, what will do?
3 hours speaking nothing.
This is true or wrong? Now your eyes were very, very close, as like lotus close. Understand? Your eyes as like lotus. Now this lotus, your eyes almost closed. Or after Hari Katha, your eyes of lotus completely what? Blossom. Look this way. When Hari Katha, then automatically your eyes of lotus closed. Maharaj, too much. Finish Hari Katha. Acha, okay, now to late night. 9:20. Stop. Maharaj, good night. After taking prasad, what will do? Even not taking prasad, also speaking, laugh. No, go your home. You told you have to go to, tomorrow you will go your job. That time not going. This is true or wrong? So the same way Shivji he told, hey Devi Parvati, this Bhagavad Katha is very confident. If you sleep, then that is offense, aparad. Because Nidra Devi will come. Already I told you when Ramchandra he killed Kumbhakarna, then Nidra Devi, the wife of Kumbhakarna, Nidra Devi, she asked, hey, now I have no husband, where will go? Then Ramchandra told, okay, where is the Hari Katha? Then you will go. Then Nidra Devi automatically come. Different Puran Katha is saying this way. So very carefully. How to kick out the Nidra Devi during the Hari Katha. How will kick out? Bole Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Then Nidra Devi will run away. So for this Hari Katha, and in the middle of the Hari Katha, what are we saying? Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Then Shivji he start to speak Hari Katha. But Shivji told Devi Parvati, listen, in my Hari Katha, and within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you have to give sign. Yeah, you are awake. Well, what is that? We say, So that means you are awake. Listening. Understand? Okay. But Shivji start to speak Hari Katha, but Shivji is completely absorbed in Hari Katha. Sometimes the speaker close his eyes. So in this way Shivji is so much absorbed in Hari Katha. And Krishna's very nice, beautiful pastime is speaking. And especially when Shivji start to speak, very Tattva Siddhanta, 5th canto. Bhugol and Khogol. Bhugol, Khogol, understand? Maybe in this material world, and also in sky, that is called this. What is called the movement of stars, planets. This that katha is very, very complicated. Mostly geography and also astronomy. Very complicated. Understand? Because there is a mathematics there. How many kilometers this planets to another planets. You go to Srimad Bhagavatam 5th canto. So many katha is there also.
I have a question. Can you explain why Lord Shiva has so many names, like Nageshwar, Bhuteshwar, so many?